Hi, my name's Michael DeFeo, and I've been asked to say a few words about how ZBrush has affected my work, my career, and my life. And in a word, I would say profoundly. It has been a real game changer for how I work, the quality of work I make, the quality of life, and how it affects my daily life in terms of doing the work and getting it done and enjoying the process of sculpting. I started out doing traditional sculpting, and you can see up here there's some clay sculpts and some digital sculpts and all kinds of things. But it was right around the time when I was working on Rio at Blue Sky that I realized ZBrush would really be the way to go for my career, for animation specifically. Mostly it had to do with the editing capability of ZBrush. So for example, a director comes by and says, hey, love that sculpt, but what would it look like if the head was, just 10% smaller? In the old days, I would have to resculpt the whole thing, Obviously, we don't have to do that with ZBrush. We scale it and go along. So that whole ability to edit and change rapidly with the whole flow of the process and the production was really key to me understanding that that was the way to move forward. Thank you, ZBrush, for helping my career move forward and for helping my eyesight and every other thing. Thanks very much.